Like to start off this video with a small announcement. I'm going to be not making videos for a couple of weeks simply because I'm going away for a little while, but okay. And this video is very different from all the rest. Recently I've been working on a game for a game jam. I think it's Brackeys game jam or something like that. And the theme of it was rewind. So I ended up working with a friend and making this game. This is the starting menu, where the concept of the game is you've got these lasers, as you can see in the background, and you'll touch them. Actually, I'll mute the audio. Mute audio. Yeah. But you have the lasers in the background, and when you touch them, they do different things. So, such as, okay. I'm not going to ruin any of the puzzles. I'll only go through the tutorial levels, such as the red ones, and they only have they will rewind time, but they will only have one use. You touch it, a block goes down on the button, it opens the door. It's fairly self-explanatory. If the laser's orange, it will hold whatever it has in place, essentially anti-gravity, for the cube. Now, because it's rewind, what happens is when you get hit by the time beam, actually, I should probably change that laser. We originally called it lasers, but we changed the name to time beam, so I need to go back and change that. What's it called? But the time beam will make a cube and send you back in time. There we go. So see, I hit it, and then I'm back here from the beginning. You can also force a rewind, which will get rid of the lost cube. So see, I've got my cube here that I got last time. Right click, and it is gone. Okay, there we go. There's also a reset the level, but I'm pretty sure that's kind of self-explanatory. So that's essentially the concept of the game, but it's not quite exactly over yet, the tutorial. So we've got moving blocks in it as well as these blue lasers, which don't turn off ever. So I'll get hit by this, and the block stops the cube, and the lasers stay on, so I could actually do more there. And then for the final tutorial level, we've got a moving platform floor, which we haven't, in terms of the puzzles, we haven't really used the moving platforms much, but we have used them, so. But no, you just get, it just keeps on moving, so you use this so that you can see that the actual blocks themselves are independent to the lasers, so if the laser's base is still moving, the blocks will still stay in place with their anti-gravity. But obviously, if they're gravity, they'll stay on the floor. We do have a grabbing mechanic, kind of, so you can hold on to a wall or something like that and slowly slip down. But it's not really used for much. But it can, in some cases, help you if it's against a moving platform. You can sometimes get back onto a block instead of having to redo all your jumps again. Okay. And sometimes you can actually pull yourself up onto the block as well, so it's not completely useless. But this is the beginning of the first puzzle level. This one's actually quite different from all the rest of the puzzle levels in terms of just how it works. But that's about that. Okay, so this is actually the game jam that I joined, Brackeys Game Jam 2022. No, 2020.2. And it just goes over a few basic stuff. So they have a bunch of different things that they're rating it on: game design, fun, innovation, themes, graphics, audio, and there's also there's a winner for each of the categories, and then there's a winner for overall. There aren't really any rules about what you can and can't do. This isn't public yet, but I will put a link to it in the description for when it is public. This is a web page that we made for Chronological. We just got to actually upload the project to it, but then it's just about done. And if you probably noticed, but my name is in the top right. My name is the 8-bit developer. my team name's the 8-Bit Developers. That's actually previously decided name before this game jam, because obviously this isn't exactly 8-bit. I do actually have another project, but it's kind of a buggy mess, so please don't play it. But it's the 8-Bit Developers. That's what we call ourselves, but it's not necessarily an 8-bit game. This isn't 8-bit. But that's about everything to do with the game jam and the game, without ruining any of the puzzles or anything like that. Please do, once it's released, please do download it, play it, give me some feedback on how to improve it, or what I did well, what I did badly, and thanks for watching.